Ẹ kú dédé àsìkò yìí. Hello everyone, welcome to ispeakyoruba2.com. This is your one-stop place for everything Yoruba language. Thank you for learning Yoruba language with I Speak Yoruba Too. Ẹ káàbọ̀ ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi. Welcome everyone. My name is Eniola and you're listening to I Speak Yoruba Too. Ṣé dáadáa lẹ wà? Ó tọ́jọ́ mẹ́ta. I hope you've all been doing good and it's been a while, I know. I hope you haven't missed me too much. I Speak Yoruba Too is back with the Yoruba Essential Knowledge Level 2. Yay! Welcome to Level 2, everyone. Welcome. I'm really happy to have you all back. If you've listened to Yoruba Essential Knowledge Level 1 lessons, that's good, because you must be familiar with the Yoruba fundamentals, which is really important because level 2 lessons are going to be a build-up on level 1 lessons. We will be taking your Yoruba speaking skills a step further. All right, so the first lesson of level 2 is going to be future tense. How does future tense work in Yoruba? Future tense in Yoruba is actually quite easy. Yeah, it is. You only need to add one word to a sentence to make it a future tense in Yoruba. And the word is ma, ma. Ma is placed before the verb in the sentence. Let's use ma in different sentences, including questions, so you can see how it is used as future tense. Do you remember the verb she, to do? It's good if you do because we'll be making some future tense sentences surrounding the verb she. Okay? Okay. Mo ma she. Mo ma she. Mo ma she. Mo ma ṣe means I will do it. Mo ma ṣe, as in I am going to do it. I will do it. Mo ma ṣe. Did you notice the placement of the word ma in the sentence? Mo ma ṣe. Ṣe is the verb. So ma precedes the verb. Ma comes before the verb she. Mo ma ṣe. I will do it. Future tense. All right, now let's use ma in different way with the verb she. Let's ask a question like, when will you do it? Okay, to ask the question, when will you do it? You will say, ìgbà wo ni ẹ máa ṣe? Ìgbà wo ni ẹ máa ṣe? Ìgbà wo ni ẹ máa ṣe? Ìgbà wo means when it's used as a question. Ìgbà wo, when. Remember we did this in level 1. Ìgbà wo ni ẹ máa ṣe? When will you do it? When are you going to do it? Ìgbà wo ni ẹ máa ṣe? Now let's see the reply to the question. Ìgbà wo ni ẹ máa ṣe? When will you do it? Mo máa ṣe ní ọ̀la. 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 I will do it tomorrow. Ọ̀la means tomorrow. Ọ̀la sounds similar to ọ̀la, but they are different. Ọ̀la means wealth and ọ̀la means tomorrow. You would often see Yoruba people called ọ̀la because ọ̀la is used as a name. For example, you will hear names like Olamide, 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 which means my wealth has arrived. Okay, the focus here is not ọ̀la, it is ọ̀la. Mo máa ṣe ní ọ̀la. I will do it tomorrow. Let's see another question. Ibo ni ẹ ti máa ṣe? Ibo ni ẹ ti máa ṣe? Ibo ni ẹ ti máa ṣe means where will you do it? Where will you be doing it? Ibo ni ẹ ti máa ṣe? Ṣé ẹ máa ṣe lóòótọ́? Ṣé ẹ máa ṣe lóòótọ́? Ṣé ẹ máa ṣe lóòótọ́? Are you really going to do it? Lóòótọ́ means really, truly, lóòótọ́. It is used when something surprising happens, like, lóòótọ́. Wow, really? Seriously? For real? Lóòótọ́. Ṣé ẹ máa ṣe lóòótọ́? Are you really going to do it? Like, seriously? For real? You're going to do it? That is, ṣé ẹ máa ṣe lóòótọ́. Do you understand the logic now? Can you see that it is really easy to make Yoruba future tense sentences? Good. Now let's look at a couple more examples. Lọ. Lọ means to go. Mo máa lọ ní ọ̀sẹ̀ tó ń bọ̀. Mo máa lọ ní ọ̀sẹ̀ tó ń bọ̀. Mo máa lọ ní ọ̀sẹ̀ tó ń bọ̀. I will go next week. Ọ̀sẹ̀ means week. So, ọ̀sẹ̀ tó ń bọ̀ is the week that is coming. That is how we say next week. The week that is coming. Ọ̀sẹ̀ tó ń bọ̀. Next week. Mo máa ṣe ní ọ̀sẹ̀ tó ń bọ̀. I will do it next week. Ṣé ẹ máa lọ síbẹ̀? Ṣé ẹ máa lọ síbẹ̀? Ṣé ẹ máa lọ síbẹ̀? Will you be going there? So when you ask, ṣé ẹ máa lọ síbẹ̀? It's more like, will you be going there? Like, maybe you're going to the office, or you're going to a party, or you're going anywhere, and they just ask you, oh, will you be going there? Ṣé ẹ máa lọ síbẹ̀? Or it can also mean, will you be going? Ṣé ẹ máa lọ sí ibẹ̀? Ṣé ẹ máa lọ síbẹ̀? Ìgbà wo ni ẹ máa lọ sílé? Ìgbà wo ni ẹ máa lọ sí ilé? Ìgbà wo ni ẹ máa lọ sílé? When will you go home? Ilé means a house or a home. Ilé. Ilé. So ilé can be a house or home. So when are you going to the house, or when are you going home will be ìgbà wo ni ẹ máa lọ sílé? Ìgbà wo ni ẹ máa lọ sí ilé? Ìgbà wo ni ẹ máa lọ sílé? When will you go home? Níbo ni ẹ máa lọ báyìí? Níbo ni ẹ máa lọ báyìí? Where will you go now? Báyìí means now, like now. So, where will you go now is níbo ni ẹ máa lọ báyìí? Where are you going to go now? The future tense. Níbo ni ẹ máa lọ báyìí? Where will you go now? In this lesson and upcoming ones, I plan to make more sample sentences looking at different scenarios so that you will know how to use a word that you've learned in more than one ways. Okay? Let's look at some more sample sentences. Dáná. 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 Dáná means to cook. Mo máa dáná ní alẹ́ yìí. Mo máa dáná ní alẹ́ yìí. Mo máa dáná ní alẹ́ yìí. I will cook tonight. Now, alẹ́ means night, and yìí, as you learned in lesson 1, means this. So when you say alẹ́ yìí, it means this night, and you can as well say tonight. Okay? So alẹ́ yìí, tonight. Mo máa dálẹ̀ ní alẹ́ yìí. I will cook tonight. Ìgbà wo ni ẹ máa dáná tán lénìí? Ìgbà wo ni ẹ máa dáná tán lénìí? Ìgbà wo ni ẹ máa dáná tán lénìí? Lénìí means today. Ìgbà wo ni ẹ máa dáná tán lénìí means when will you finish cooking today? Ìgbà wo ni ẹ máa dáná tán lénìí? Ibo ni ẹ ti máa dáná fún wa? Ibo ni ẹ ti máa dáná fún wa? Ibo ni ẹ ti máa dáná fún wa? Where are you going to cook for us? Where will you be cooking for us? Ibo ni ẹ ti máa dáná fún wa? Where are you going to cook for us? So we've looked at 3 different ways to use the word dáná, which is to cook. Let's look at one more way to use the word dáná in this future tense. Mo máa dáná oríṣiríṣi oúnjẹ. Mo máa dáná oríṣiríṣi oúnjẹ. I will cook different kinds of food. Oríṣiríṣi means different or varieties. Oríṣiríṣi. Oríṣiríṣi. That may sound like a tongue twister, but it's not. Oríṣiríṣi. Oríṣiríṣi. Varieties. Mo máa dáná oríṣiríṣi oúnjẹ. I will cook different varieties of food. Now let's look at our next word, which is sùn. Sùn. Sùn means to sleep. Sùn. Mo máa sùn ní aago méjì. Mo máa sùn ní aago méjì. Mo máa sùn ní aago méjì. I will sleep at 2. Mo máa sùn ní aago méjì. I will sleep at 2. Ibo ni ẹ máa sùn sí? Ibo ni ẹ máa sùn sí? Where are you going to sleep? Ibo ni ẹ máa sùn sí? Where are you going to sleep? Ìgbà wo ni àwọn ọmọ yìí máa sùn? Ìgbà wo ni àwọn ọmọ yìí máa sùn? When will these children sleep? Ọmọ is child, but when àwọn is added to ọmọ, it becomes children. Àwọn ọmọ, children. Ìgbà wo ni àwọn ọmọ yìí máa sùn? When will these children sleep? Ṣé ẹ máa tètè sùn? Ṣé ẹ máa tètè sùn? Ṣé ẹ máa tètè sùn? Will you sleep early? Ṣé ẹ máa tètè sùn? Tètè means early. Ṣé ẹ máa tètè sùn? Will you sleep early? Alright everyone, I hope you now know how to make future tense sentences in Yoruba. All you need to do is add that one word, máa, and it comes before the verb in a sentence. Try to challenge yourself. Write down 2 things you want to do later today or tomorrow using the Yoruba future tense. Máa, mo máa, so. Okay? And we have come to the end of our very first lesson in Level 2. Well done, everyone. I hope you have enjoyed this Level 2 first lesson. If you do, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with friends and family and leave me a review, please, because this review really helps other people get to know about I Speak Yoruba Too podcast, and they can also learn to speak Yoruba like you are doing. Okay? And don't forget to check out more lessons on my YouTube channel and reach out to me on Instagram. I am always happy to answer your questions or read your comments and reviews. Okay, so reach out to me at I Speak Yoruba Too, and the details to my handle are in the show notes. All right, lovely people, that is it from Eniola today, and I will see you all again soon. Ó dàbọ̀.